Well, it is a frosty morning in the low 30s. Believe it or not, we still have potatoes in the ground here. So given what the forecast is over the next week, going below freezing every night, we got to get those out of the ground. So I got the kids with me. And the boys love working with Dad, and they actually love digging potatoes. It's a great activity for kids because it's kind of like a treasure hunt where you find the potatoes coming out of the ground. So treasure hunt, Easter egg hunt, digging potatoes. It's exciting for them. So we're gonna get the wheelbarrow, get some boxes, get set up. I'll loosen the soil and the kids will pull the potatoes out and set them in the wheelbarrow. So hopefully they have fun today.
I see some, that's a turnip. I found this turnip.
So we've already dug, the first 20 feet of this row, feeding it along the way, but let's go ahead and start digging. Let's see if I can loosen up this soil. I don't see anything there. Hold on. Let's do a couple pushes on this side. All right, now let me do a couple on that side.
Yes, because
let's see what we see. All right, well, let's look.
Wait.
You see anything there?
I heard them.
I don't think there's anything there. Let's see. Well, I see a potato stem right here, so I bet there's going to be some. Take a look. All right, put it in the wheelbarrow. Go ahead.
Right behind us.
Yeah. Let's take a look. Look.
Digging the whole row.
There we go.
There's two more.
Yep, put them in the wheelbarrow.
I already got 3. This is a little turnip.
No, it's a potato, bud.
A little potato. The turnips, I don't see it. Didn't grow yet. The turnips aren't ready yet. We didn't harvest.
Hey, look, you missed one.
We didn't harvest the turnips. The wheelbarrow's right here.
Hold on. You see this stem right here? That's a potato plant stem. So there should be some around here.
Yes! I found it.
Great, I see another one.
This is the potato.
You see it?
This is the potato stem. I see the stem hanging off the
Okay, go
potato.
ahead and put it in. Look carefully. We have one row down, one more row over there to go. This is what we've got in the wheelbarrow so far. The boys were losing some attention, so they're now having a snack. And I think they're at the point where they're having more fun playing with worms than finding potatoes. So I'm probably going to be digging this other row on my own. Here it is. We have gotten them all. Both rows of potatoes all the way down. Our next step is going to be to go through these because some of them have been, I don't know if you could see, some of them have been attacked a little bit by grubs. So basically what we got to do is sort them into boxes based on what's good and what's got a little damage on it. We'll use those damaged ones first, but we're certainly not going to throw them away. So that wraps up our potato harvest this year. We'll get those stored in the basement and enjoy them all winter.